Record. Hold on. Hold on.
Play that side, go. Here we go, buddy.
Come on, Aaron.
Push up, defense.
See my tracking?
Push up, defense. Hey. Pressure him, Gracie, pressure. Go, Rango.
Oh, I didn't even see what happened.
Chris, push up to midfield. Rango, Anthony. Anthony and Gracie, defense. 2-3-1, 2-3-1. Jonah, take the middle. Juan, push out. Juan, you're going to go to midfield, okay? Push up, Chris. Push up, Chris. Defense, push up. Nobody back here. Stay on there. Don't get too pretty, Anthony.
Yo, I just got myself juked. I got juked on camera. Oh, I got juked on camera.
Jonah, play the middle. You're on that side, Chris. Chris, you're on that side. Let Juan take this side.
Okay.
There it is.
Uh,
Shot, Aaron.
Aaron's playing every damn position he can.
what?
Aaron's playing every position.
Bro, this water is so warm. I don't got a shirt in it, but this is warm. Wait, is that not a ref?
Last one, Gracie. I need more than that.
Can't see the ball. Uh-oh.
They're on the pressure. Put body on him, Chris.
That ball's
Get up.
He's going in for Jonah. I'm just going in for Jonah.
Daniel,
Subs.
get up. You're going in for Chris.
He's going in for Chris. Daniel's going in for Chris. Watch this
You got
tracking,
subs?
ready? Watch this tracking.
Yep. Stand right here. Really, stand by the door.
Yo, yes he.
There you go. Come on, Jonah, push it up. There you go, Chris. Run. Jonah. Read the position now.
on the way. Over.
Hey, you guys need to communicate that.
Hey!
Where's the ball?
Get here, Rango. Gracie, you can't give up.
I know.
Gracie, I need 100% on that.
Aaron, get open!
Yo, it keeps taking like that's like a rat.
Yeah, the girl.
Yeah, York. York?
Yeah, you.
Yeah. You gotta wear all black.
Oh, black?
Wait, yeah, I think that's what Rainbow said. Maybe. I don't know.
Come on, Gracie, blast it out.
I'm not gonna let him win on me.
Oh crap.
Dude. I can score like that.
Subs.
Ricky, go.
Hey,
Oh, why is the camera like that?
I'll get you a sub in a second, right, Juan?
Yeah, I don't think there's no 0.5.
Come on, Quan.
Coming back in the pitch.
Alright.
Come on, need me. Dude, really bad. Dude, I'm just not the win. I almost made it. Come on, Quan! Come on, Julio. Yeah! Go.
Go, Leo.
First goal scorer.
He wasn't even
Yeah, guy.
I'll get you right now, hold on.
Hey, balón blanco. Off and up.
Alright, Jonah, you're going to come in for Juan. You ready?
Right now?
No, just wait till the next one. Chris, you're going to come in for Juan. You ready?
You're supposed to see the ball.
Man, if Beyonce was playing.
Yo, that'd be crazy. That'd be a
Hold on, here we
song.
go.
Nah, he'll probably catch the ball or something. But he has good defense though.
Attack. There you go. Get back up.
Come on, Ricky.
Put pressure on him. Pressure him, man. Get a shot off. Don't let him shoot it from back there.
I can't see the ball.
You're faster than him, Alex.
Alex, you got
Just
pace.
stand over there by the middle by the ref. Here go, Alex.
Huh?
Come on, Ricky. Stay on him.
Game time? What you mean game time? You ain't got no game time. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Sub in. Go now.
Subs.
Here you go.
Rainbow's in out. Yo, we need like comment. What's that stuff called in the NFL?
If Ringo didn't fall, then.
Commentary. What do they call it?
We're about to go in for Daniel.
Where's Daniel from?
On the right middle.
Oh wait. Okay, hold on.
Zona, man.
Feeling good.
Come here. Come here.
5 days ago, my other one broke. I don't know
Where's the ball? Where's the ball?
Ricky, watch out.
Soap. Soap. Go. Daniel.
I mean, I was about to bring it forward. I mean, I do. Center. No, that's you, Baxter. Chris. Get the Ricky!
Randall, you ready?
Oh,
Yeah, anyone go water?
Bring it up, bring it up.
Waterfall? I got you.
Come on, Hoover.
that's not